Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Crafty Scientist, and today we're going to be doing a cell made out of modeling clay. So this is a cell. It has lots of different parts, so it might be hard to make. So yeah, we're going to try our best, and your body is made out of billions and billions of these. And for the craft, you'll also need some modeling clay of all different colors. You'll need a knife, not a sharp knife, but a knife. A rolling pin to roll out your clay, Vaseline, or you could use hand cream, whichever one you have. And we're using a glass with a round bottom, or you could use like anything that's round. Okay, so please subscribe, hit that notification button so you never miss a video I post, and let's get into the craft. So I flipped the camera so you can see everything, and I put my cell up in the top corner, and here's my clay. I just took it out of the package and it looks super pretty. So now we're going to have the cell membrane green. So I'm just going to zip off the green. That was very fun. Put that to the side, and then I'll just knead it to make it soft. I have my clay well kneaded, so now I'm just going to flatten it out with my thumbs a bit, put it on the table, get my rolling pin, and then roll it out. And if you're finding it hard to roll, get an adult to help you. I have my cell membrane all rolled out. So now I'm going to get my glass. I'm going to put my Vaseline on it. So I'm just going to open the Vaseline, put a small bit on my finger, and then roll it all along here. And this is around where our cell membrane will go on. So now I'm going to close the Vaseline and put it back to the side. I'm going to get my rolled out membrane, put it on the top, then squash it down. You can model it as you want. I trimmed all around the edge. Now I'm going to try to take it off. You might have to wiggle it around a little bit, then it should pop off. I have my cell membrane now, so I'm going to put it down here right next to my cell. Now I'm going to make the nucleus and the cytoplasm. The nucleus will be orange, and then the cytoplasm will be white. It might look a tiny bit like a fried egg, but it will be okay. So when you get your orange all kneaded nice and soft, break a tiny piece off, roll it into a nice ball, and then pop it straight down in the middle. And you have your cell membrane and a tiny prop-up ball in the middle. Like that. Then get your rest of the orange, roll it into a big nice ball. This is going to be the main nucleus. I'm going to put this over to the side, and I'll get my white for the cytoplasm. So for the cytoplasm, I'm going to knead it very well and push it down with my thumbs and make it quite long, like this, and then push it down. This is going to be the cytoplasm, and in the picture, the cytoplasm is blue and the nucleus is purple. But you do not have to use the same colours as in the picture. You can if you want, but I'm not, because the cell isn't really any colour. Now I have the cytoplasm all flat. I'm going to put it down here and get my nucleus. And then wrap the cytoplasm around it. Now we have our cytoplasm with the nucleus in the middle. It should look something like this. So now, with our little prop-up ball in the middle of our cell membrane, we're just going to pop it down like this. So I just finished tidying up the cell membrane edges on the cytoplasm. So now I'm going to cut the nucleus, which is the orange thing, so you can see the DNA in the inside. I'm going to get my knife, which is here, and I'm going to cut straight down the nucleus and go across. So you can see all the DNA. And now I'm going to get a small piece of pink and then just flatten it down with my thumb and then put it straight in the middle. And then just get my knife and put it down like that. And there we go.
Cut.
So now we're going to make all the organelles, which are all the smaller parts. So we're going to put this over to the side and get a bit of blue clay and a bit of brown clay. So the brown clay is around the size of a pea and the blue clay is around the size of a small grape. So we'll put the brown clay to the side and then just roll out the blue clay so it's very thin. Well, not super thin, but quite thin, like around this thin. And then just get your thumb or your finger and then just flatten it down. And then get your brown clay and then roll it out super duper duper thin so that it can fit inside of the blue clay. And we're making the ER. And then just fit this straight in the middle of the blue clay and then just curl up the edges. So it's like a hot dog inside of a blue hot dog bun. So I curled up all the edges on the brown of the blue, and now I'm just going to cut the excess brown, put it to the side, and I made lots of these in advance. So now we're going to put them on the cell. So we have our ER done. Using the same technique, I made the Golgi with the same inside colour brown and then with the outside colour yellow. And now I'm going to put them on our cell. Next I want to make a few vesicles, which are the small things. So now how I made them is get a tiny piece of yellow and a tiny piece of brown and put the brown right on the yellow, then put them on the table and then just smash the brown on top of the yellow and then you make one vesicle. So now I'm going to put them on where they belong and I'm going to put one attached to a Golgi. Now I'm going to make a mitochondrion. So I just rolled out a tiny piece of yellow into a really thin piece like this. And then I got a tiny piece of pink, then you just flatten it down with your finger and then make a zigzag sort of pattern on the pink with the thin, sort of like that. So I'm going to put this mitochondrion right here. And then I made this other one and I'm going to put it here. So now I'm going to make the lysosome, which are the blue things. So I just got a piece of blue and then just flattened it with my fingers like this. And then I made 3 small balls of brown here. And then you just put them on and then just flatten them out with your finger like that. One more. And then you can put them where you want. I'm going to put one here, and one here. This is our complete cell. Hope you like this video. Bye! This is a close-up of our cell, and in the comments below, say what video I should do next and what you think of the cell.